Hello guys, and let me show you how to use this S Pen of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra as a remote control for camera. But before we start, don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So let's start with opening settings first. And here scroll till you find Advanced Features tab. Click it and from the list of options choose S Pen. And now we need to go in Air Action by clicking it. And now scroll till you find this camera icon and click it. And right here you can see what actions can be taken to enable these features. So the single press on this button, which you can see right here, single press will take a picture or record video. Double press is to switch between cameras. And also you can see what gestures we can implement. So, let's test it. Let's open camera first by the long press on this button. Great. And now, let's press one time to take a picture. Just like this. And if we are in a video mode, then one press will record a video. Everything is working as you can see. So, to switch between cameras, we need to double click this button. Just like this. Double click again to go back. Great, and now let's test these gestures. So, this one and this one will switch cameras, but you need to press and hold this button the whole time. So, let me show you. Just like this, and one more time. Great. Now to go to the next mode, we need to swipe from right to left. Like this. And to the previous one, we need to do the same thing but opposite. Just like this. Now to zoom in or decrease view angle, we need to do this move. Just like this. And to zoom out, we need to do this move to the opposite side. Like this. So, that was all for now. I hope this video was helpful for you. And thank you so much for watching.